Ano po, punta na ako ng gym. Nakaano ako. See you later. Domino's Pizza! Yay! This is so unhealthy. After a 1-hour gym, we end up coming here. So let's go inside. I want more chili. Yes. Yeah. So, hindi ako nag-lunch. Wala kami for 1 hour. Smells good, Domino's. Can't wait to eat it. Look how nice and spacious is the car park here. There's a new place here to eat. Look at this one. Food looks good. And that's the shop. There's a small one there with a Romanian flag. So I might come here next time to visit. I should head back home to eat. See you later. So we are back home and I've got the pizzas here. Delivery man is here. So what do I have here? Oops, Daisy. I've got cheeseburger pizza. Apparently this is a new flavor for Domino's. The other one is dun, 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 dun. It's a Texas barbecue. There you go. I think these are all medium sizes. And this one, it's the last baby here. And it's going to my tummy. And that's it. It's what's this? Pita?
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread. Okay, there you go. You can see I don't actually eat a lot of this one. So I don't know the name. There you go. I'm gonna open this one for you. And look how nice, and can't wait to eat these things. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. People, let's start with a cheeseburger because this is fairly new. I want to try it first. Look, it's glorious. It's glorious. It's really good. I love it. It's really good.
Is it? It's new, isn't it?
Love it.
This is Domino new pizza. The burger. Was it a cheeseburger or something? I can't remember now.
Cheeseburger.
I like the garlic bread. Let's give it a try. I don't mind. You watch me eat. You can watch whatever you want. I'm not sharing food with you anyway, so...
You're not filming.
It's recording right now. Anyway, bye-bye. Want some privacy with my eating.